What's up YouTube? Guitar Bowler 09 here. Have two new videos for you. I had three I uploaded to YouTube, as some of my subscribers might have seen, but they muted it right away since I had a music video in it. So I'll leave the link in the description box below. So check it out. It's Avenged Sevenfold. I'm not sure how much I can say without YouTube messing up my video. I've already edited that last video twice. It took me an hour each time, so I'm kind of aggravated with it, so I'm not going to bother with that. Okay, so my first video is of this man, and he's running for his life. Just watch. This ain't funny, it's just like, wow, I can't believe someone actually got this caught on tape. Just watch this. I mean, what would you do in his situation? Okay, a little bit of lighter news. Here's a cute little bear that just cannot stop sneezing. Check this video out.
Put it down. Put it down. You alright, Morton?
Alright guys, sorry that this video might seem a little rushed. I had a really nice video. I'm going to try to find somewhere to post it because I worked really hard on it. Like, I've been working on it since last night. So, I'm a little aggravated with it. So, I just wanted to throw this together to give you guys a video. How did you like my intro? And, well, soon you'll see my outro. Leave a comment in the comment box below. Tell me what you think. That's me playing the guitar. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Should I change it? Should I go back to none? I don't know. Just leave that in the comment box. Alright, my 3 shout outs. Boom, boom, boom. Check them out. That's about it, guys. I will see you guys next video. And that's it. Alright, talk.